ऍडिशन आणि सबट्रॅक्शनचे वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम्स पाहणार आहोत. नॉर्मली जर आपल्याला इक्वेशन दिला असेल तर सोडवायला खूप अवघड जात नाही, पण वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम समजून घ्यायला थोडा वेळ लागतो आणि त्यामुळे ते चुकण्याची शक्यता जास्त असते. First of all, in part 1 we are going to see the word problem based on addition. The keywords which belongs to the equation related to addition are altogether, total, sum of. म्हणजेच जर तुम्हाला दिलेल्या वर्ड इक्वेशन मध्ये ऑल टुगेदर, टोटल किंवा सम ऑफ असे जर शब्द दिसले तर त्या शब्दाचा अर्थ आहे बेरीज करा. समजलं? या तीन शब्दांचा अर्थ आहे बेरीज करा. म्हणजेच द गिवन इक्वेशन विल बी ऑफ ऍडिशन इफ these words all together, total and sum of are included in the word problem. चला तर मग बघूया प्रॉब्लेम सेट 9 जो ऍडिशनच्या वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम्स वर बेस्ड आहे. First of all, while reading the word problem, we have to pay attention toward the keywords. Let's read the problem. The problem number first. In a certain election, 13,47,048 women and 14,29,638 men cast their votes. How many votes were pulled altogether? We have to pay attention on this word altogether. Altogether म्हणजे काय? एकत्रितरित्या. म्हणजेच काय आपल्याला बेरीज करावी लागेल. So first of all, we have to write like this: given vote cast by women. How many there are? 13 lakh 47,000 and 48. Next one, votes cast by men. These are 14 lakh 29,638. Then let's add these two numbers. 8 plus 8 16. 16 add 6 1 4 carry. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 8. 0 plus 6 6. 7 plus 9 16. So we shall write 6 here and 1 will send to carry. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 2 7. 3 plus 4 7. 1 plus 1 2. So the total number of votes cast by both of women and men are 27,76,686. We have to write like this. Now the next example is, what will be the sum of the smallest and largest 6-digit numbers? 6 अंकी संख्या घ्यायची आपल्याला आणि ती 6 अंकी संख्या ही सगळ्यात लहान 6 अंकी संख्या आणि सगळ्यात मोठी 6 अंकी संख्या या दोन्हीची ऍडिशन करायची. तर फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर 6 अंकी संख्या कोणती आहे पाहूया. 1 0 0 0 0 0. बघा 6 डी झाले का? Then what is this number? 1 lakh. And the largest number which is of 6 digits? 9 9 9 9 9 9. They have to get sum of both these numbers. So let's add 0 plus 9 9, 0 plus 9 9, 0 plus 9 again 9, 0 plus 9 9, 0 plus 9, 9, and 1 plus 9, 10. So the final answer will be 10,99,999. The word problem is there. That's why we have to write the final answer in words. Like this. Let's see the next example. If Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8,07,957 and a thresher for rupees 32,609, how much money did she spend altogether? Altogether means addition. Now here the first number is of 6 digits and the second number is of 5 digits. So need not to scare, just write the numbers as given here. First of all, price of tractor 8,07,957, price of a thresher 32,609. And then we shall solve the example. 7 plus 9, 16, 6 carry 1, 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 0, 6, 9 plus 6, 15, 15 has 5 carry 1, 1 plus 7, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, so 0 and carry 1, 1 plus 3, 4, 8 adds 8. So the total expense did by Surekha Tai is 8,40,566. Let's see the next example. Example number 4. A textile mill produced 17,24,938 meters of cloth last year and 23,47,056 meters this year. What was the total production of 2 years? Total means addition. Here the given information is production of the last year and production of this year. We have to add both of these. So production of last year is 17 lakh 24,938 meters, and production of this year is 23 lakh 47,056. The sum will be 8 plus 6, 14. As 4 carry 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. This 9 plus 0, 9. 4 plus 7, 11. 1 and carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. But we cannot write the 10 as it is. Therefore 0 and carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. So the final answer is, the total production is 40,71,994 meters. Now the last example of problem set 9. If the government gave rupees 34,62,950 worth of computers and rupees 3,26,578 worth of TV sets to the school, what is the total amount spent on these equipments? Total amount means here also we have to do addition. Then the given is cost of the computers. Cost of computers 34,62,950. And then cost of TV sets, that is 3,26,578. Let's do the addition. 0 plus 8, 8. 5 plus 7, that is 12. So here we can write 2, and 1 is said to be for carrying the next column. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 1 is said to the next column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 6, 9. 6 plus 2, 8. 4 plus 3, 7, and 3 as 3. So the total amount spent by the government is 37,89,528. Now see the word problems related to subtraction. While seeing the word problems related to subtraction, we have to pay attention on few keywords. These are how many extra, how many less, how many more, how many remain, how many left. How many extra म्हणजे किती जास्त आहे, how many less याचा अर्थ आहे किती कमी आहे, how many more याचा अर्थ किती जास्त आहे, how many remain याचा अर्थ किती शिल्लक राहिले, how many left याचा अर्थ सुद्धा किती शिल्लक राहिले. याप्रमाणे या वर्डचा वापर वर्ड प्रॉब्लेम मध्ये जे की सबट्रॅक्शन ची रिलेटेड आहे यामध्ये केला जातो. Now start with the problem set 12. The first word problem is Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still need to be able to buy the laptop? प्रथमेशला एक लॅपटॉप घ्यायचा आहे, त्याची किंमत आहे 27,450 रुपये आणि त्याच्याकडे आहेत 22,975 रुपये. तर प्रथमेशला आणखी किती रुपये लागतील? फॉर दॅट पर्पज वी हॅव टू सबट्रॅक्ट the second amount from the first amount, the smaller amount from the larger amount. First of all, the cost of laptop, that is 27,450, and the amount he has 22,975. Earlier we have seen that any number or larger number cannot be subtracted from the smaller number. So here 5 cannot be subtracted from 0. Therefore 0 will cut and it becomes 10. But for that purpose we have to cut 5 and 5 becomes 4. Now 10 minus 5, 5. Here also 7 cannot be subtracted from 4. Therefore the next number 4 becomes 3 and this 4 becomes 14. 40 minus 7, 7. 9 cannot be subtracted from 3. Therefore, the next number 7 becomes 6 and 3 becomes 30. 30 minus 9, that is 4. 6 minus 2, that is 4. 2 minus 2, 0. So the amount needed by Prathamesh for buying a new laptop is 4,475 rupees more. Next, second example, a company produced 44,730 scooters in a certain year and 43,150 in the next. How many more scooters did they produce in the previous year? How many more? याचा सबट्रॅक्शन करायचा आहे. And for doing subtraction, we have to subtract the smaller number from greater number. So here, the scooter produced in a year was 44,730, and the scooter produced in the next year were 43,150. 43,150. So we know that the greater number, the larger number cannot be subtracted from smaller number. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 5 cannot happen. Therefore, we have to borrow 1 from 7. So it becomes 6, and here 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5, that is 8. 6 minus 1, that is 5. 4 minus 3, 1, and 4 minus 4, 0. So the more scooters produced in the last year are 1,580. The next example, in a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? या उदाहरणाचा अर्थ असा आहे, एका शहरामध्ये पुरुषांची संख्या 16,37,856 आहे, तर महिलांची संख्या 16,52,978 आहे. तर महिलांची संख्या पुरुषांच्या संख्येपेक्षा कितीने जास्त आहे? So obviously here the number of women are greater, therefore we have to subtract the number of men from number of women. The number of women are 16,52,978 and number of men is 16,37,856. So let's subtract. 8 minus 6 remains 2. 7 minus 5 remains 2. 9 minus 8 remains 1. 2 minus 7 cannot be happen. Therefore, we have to borrow 1 from the next number. So 5 becomes 4 and 2 becomes 12. 12 minus 7, that is 5. 4 minus 3, 1. 6 minus 6, 0. And 1 minus 1, 0. Therefore, the number of women extra than the men is 15,122. Let's see the next example. An organization decided to collect 25 lakhs rupees for a certain project. They collected 26 lakhs 57,340 through donations and other kind of aid. By how much did they exceed their target? म्हणजेच एक संस्था आहे आणि एका संस्थेनं 25 लाख रुपये जमा करायला ठरवलेला आहे त्यांच्या एका प्रोजेक्टसाठी आणि त्यांनी देणगी स्वरूपात 26,57,340 रुपये जमा केले. तर त्यांनी ठरलेल्या रकमेपेक्षा किती जास्त रक्कम जमा केली यासाठी सुद्धा तुम्हाला सबट्रॅक्शनच करावं लागेल. सो टोटल फंड्स आर 26,57,340 and the fund decided to collect, that is 25 lakh round figure. So see, very simple example it is. 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 0, 4, 3 minus 0, 3, 7 minus 0, 7, 5 minus 0, 5, 6 minus 5, 1, 2 minus 2, 0. So the exceed fund collected by the organization is 1,57,340. The last example from problem set 12 is that to make a word problem from the given numbers, that question must be solved by yourself. Prepare a word problem and solve it. Now let's see the mixed problems. Problem set number 13. First of all, we have to find that if the given problem is the mixed problem, then we have to do addition and subtraction both there. Let's find how to conclude that the given problem is a mixed problem. First of all, find the values given in the problem. If there are 3 values, then that is mixed problem. Or first of all, find the meaning of the problem. The forest department planted 23,078 trees of khair, 19,476 of behera, beside trees of several other kinds. If the department planted 50,000 trees altogether, how many trees were neither of khair nor of behera? खैर आणि बेहडा या औषधी वनस्पती आहेत. These are medicinal plants, and the forest department totally they have planted 50,000. Out of them 23,078 of khair and 19,476 of behera. We have to find the other trees, the number of other trees. याचा अर्थ आपल्याला इतर झाडे काढायचे. For that purpose, find out the 3 values first. Total trees 50,000, khair trees 23,078, behera 19,476, and we have to find other trees. In this case, first of all, we have to add these values, means number of khair trees and number of behera trees. And afterward, we have to subtract this addition from the total number of trees. Let's do it. First of all, khair 23,078. Next, behera 19,476. Let's add them. Add and 6, 14, 4 carry 1, 1 and 7, 8 and 7, 15, 5 carry 1, 1 0 1, and 1 4 5 3 9, that is 12, 2 carry 1 and 2 3 and 1 4. So the number of trees which after adding Khair and Behera are 42,554. So the next step is we have to subtract this value from total number of trees. Total number of trees are 50,000, and addition of Khair and Behera 42,554. So let's subtract them. Already we have seen how to subtract the number from the bigger number. So let's subtract. It is impossible to subtract 4 from 0. So 0 becomes 10. But we have borrowed from next. There is known value. Here is known value. Here is known value. So 5 becomes 4. 0 becomes 10. 10 becomes 9. This 0 becomes 10. 10 becomes again 9. This 0 becomes 10. 10 becomes 9. Because we have borrowed the number from the next number. 10 minus 4, 6. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 4, 0. So the total number of trees which are neither Khair or nor Behera are 7,446. Let's see the next problem. A city has a population of 37,04,926. If this includes 11,24,069 men and 10,96,478 women, what is the number of children in the city? आपल्याला एकूण लोकसंख्या दिलेली आहे, टोटल पॉप्युलेशन, द पॉप्युलेशन ऑफ मेन अँड पॉप्युलेशन अँड वुमेन. त्यावेळेला दिलेल्या व्हॅल्यू आहे. द टोटल पॉप्युलेशन 37,04,926, मेन पॉप्युलेशन 11,24,069, women population 10,96,478. In this case, we should keep aside the value of total population and add the value of men and women. First of all, men 11,24,069, women 10,96,478. 9 plus 8, 17. 7 carry 1. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 4 carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 4, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. So 0 and 1 should be sent to carry to next column. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 9, 12. 2 carry 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. That is 22,20,547 is the total number of men and women together. Now we have to subtract this value from total number of population. Total number of population 37,04,926 minus 22,20,547. So let's subtract. It is impossible to subtract 7 from 6. So we have to borrow the number from the next column. 6 become 16, 2 becomes 1. 16 minus 7, that is 9. Then 4 cannot be subtracted from 1. So 1 becomes 11. 9 becomes 8. 11 minus 4, that is 7. 8 minus 5, that is 3. 4 minus 0, that is 4. 0 minus 2 is impossible, that's why we have to borrow from the next column. 0 becomes 10 and 7 becomes 6. 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 2, 1. So the number of children are 14,84,379. I think you have understood how to do the addition and subtraction. Please like our video, subscribe our channel and keep supporting. Thank you very much.